Oh yes! Welcome. My name is David Usamuji. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. Today I'm here with you on another T-shirt design tutorial. Yes, a Canva T-shirt design tutorial. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into it. Then we can gist later. Great deal. Let's go straight right to it. So I'm going to open canva.com. I hope you guys are watching and properly. I hope you guys are keeping yourself safe. I hope you guys are doing everything to keep yourself safe. Please keep yourself safe. I love you all. I want you guys to take care of yourself. So now let's get straight right to the design, but I'll make something clear. If you want to learn how to create quality t-shirt designs that sell, that make profit, passive income or matched by Amazon, Redbubble, Surport, Teespring, please, you have two options. One is to watch this video to the end. Two, watch stage 1, 2 and 3 and you can click off. But if you're dedicated and you want to change the way things are done this year, the way you make money this year, yeah, please always watch my videos to the very end and just dedicate at least 15 minutes of your time, 10 to 15 minutes of your time per design. All my designs, you can check my channel, they take between 10 to 16 minutes max to produce. So even without or with me introducing myself, it takes me 16 minutes to produce. So please don't click off. Take the time, get a cup of coffee, get a cup of tea and watch to the very end. So let's get straight right to today's one. Today's going to be a fun one. I'm going to click on create a design, custom dimension 4500 by 5400. It's standard pixel. Create a new design. It opens on a new tab. It's going to open on a new tab. And the next thing we want to do, this is stage 1. Mind you, this is stage 1 of 4. So please follow the stages, follow them so that you don't miss out on anyone. So as you can see, in your left hand corner, you're going to scroll down to where it says upload an image or video. Now we're going to look for a design. You can get designs from sites like Flat Icons, or you can create t-shirt designs yourself like you're learning, or you can go to fiverr.com or the other site, some other freelance site, and get freelancers to make your designs for you. It's not super expensive. I'm a freelancer myself, so if you want me to make designs for you, just let me know. Send me a message on Instagram and we can work on that. But for today, this is my design. It's a pilot design. Yes, you can know with all these situations around, travel ban everywhere, everyone is indoor. So I think the main time we know flights are grounded, and we just have to remember our pilots who have always done everything for us in the past. So we have to dedicate this design to them. If you are on my side on this, please hit the like button while we continue on this video. So as you can see, it's still uploading. Once it's done uploading, you're going to click on it once for it to appear here. Then we'll save that and move on to stage 2. It's not complicated. It's a simple process. So please, at this stage, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe button is red, please, let's break a record on this video. For everyone who's just watching this video for the first time, hit the subscribe button. Can you do that? Thanks. I appreciate that. For those that have been watching me, thanks for coming back. Thanks for being loyal. I appreciate you guys. And that's why I'll keep on making daily t-shirt design videos for you guys. Don't worry, in no time, I'll start showing you how to make sure you have a proper Redbubble profile, TeePublic profile, Teespring profile, and by the grace of God, a match by Amazon profile. So let's just click on this. So just click on this pilot. It should appear here. As you can see, this is our design. Yes, it looks cool. Someone already commented this design when I was making them. Say it looks cool. Yes, I made the design myself. As you can see, I made the design myself in Photoshop. So it's not something complicated. It's a simple design. Just a matter of putting your font, cutting your font down here, just putting some design elements and your plain silhouettes, and you're good to go. So now we just click on this download. Click on download. As you can see, we can't download with transparent background because that's a paid feature. but I will show you in the second stage how to do that. So just click on download. Our download is preparing. So far so good. We are just about 5 minutes into our design. So you see what I tell you, design should not take you a lot of time. 10-15 minutes, we are done. So now our design is ready. We'll just go to confirm that we have it in the download folder where to always download. So now you have it. So you can see it has the white background. So what we'll do is take it to Photoshop, which is stage 2. So I'll say welcome to stage 2 or 4. So we'll just click on it and open the Photoshop. We open with Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC. As you can see, Photoshop CC is my preferred. I love Photoshop, I won't lie. But I noticed my channel, you guys love my designs with Canva, and that's why I always make sure I start my design with Canva and show you this process so you can go through the same process and make your design in Canva. But remember, if you want to use Canva alone, you have to pay for the pro version, which is about $12. So if you want that, let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this video so far, let me know in the comments. If you need to ask me a question, let me know in the question. Feel free. I reply to almost all. I won't say I reply to all. Then I'll be shooting myself in the leg. I reply to almost all my design, all my comments. So please, if you have a comment, please just drop it and I will reply you. So now you click on this folded paper. It says create a new layer. You click on that. Then you click on layer 0. You go over to your magic word tool. That is this magic word stick. You see it's a magic word tool. You can see it looks like a magic stick. You click on it once. Then you click on it white. This is a process. It's a serious process. So if you are not patient, you might miss some parts. But if you're patient, you're gonna get every single part. But if you think it's gonna take you time, you can just get Canva Pro for $12 and you don't need to go through this process because you have the ability to download your designs without the white background or whatever background. So now that we've made this highlighted, we'll just click on delete on our keypad and you can see it has deleted the white background. But if you notice, we still have some white background which we don't want, so we'll just click on them and to get them off. So you click and press delete, click and press delete on your keyboard, click, press delete on your keyboard, click and you press delete on your keyboard. What I like about Photoshop is that it gives me the extra privilege to make effects. And one effect I really want to make on this design is to make this plane that you see is black. I don't want it to be totally black. So if you get your design, or if someone buys your design on a white shirt, the plane should be white. If the person buys on a black shirt, the plane should be black. If it buys on a red shirt, the plane should be red. So that's what I want to do. So I'll just click on this black and I'll delete that. And now we have that. So now you can see that has a transparent background too. That's the transparent background too. So now we can save that. Just go over, just go cross check, make sure you have no white hidden in any part. So now you go to file, save as picture, and save this as file. PNG, remember to always save your design as PNG because you don't want the white background. So always save as PNG. Then you click on save. Yes, I already had it, but because of you guys, I have to do it again so you guys get every single process. So just click on save. Yes, press my OK, and now just wait for it to be downloaded, saved properly. And now you can see it saved. So we'll go back to cross check. Always make sure you go back. I always emphasize on going back to check your designs to make sure it's saved properly. So just click on this. This is our design. As you can see, no more white background. We're just left with our design. So now we move on to the next stage, which is to take this onto our 3D mockup, which is the third stage. So if you've been watching me and you've gotten to this stage, I want to say thank you very much. You guys are amazing. You guys support me by watching this channel, and I'm here for you guys to teach you guys how to make simple designs that make serious money. We're talking 5-6 figures. But for a start, you can't make 5-6 figures. I'll be truthful with you. You can't make 5-6 figures. You have to have about 1,000 to 3,000 designs, unique designs to make that. So you can't just make that all of a sudden. So we'll go to mockup, my Canva T Shirt mockup. If you have watched my channel or if you are just joining me after the video, you go to my channel, you notice this is my best, my very best mock-up. I love this. If you want to know where I get this, just let me know in the comments. Any question at all, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be here for you to answer all your questions. So now I'll go back to pictures and bring in our pilot design into this. So this is it. I'll just drag this into this design, into this Canva, this space. We give it time, it's going to appear. As you can see, it's quite big, and I don't want to be this big. So I'll just over my mouse to this edge, and I'll press down 3 buttons, and those buttons are my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse click button. When you press down those 3 buttons, then you drag your mouse inwards to reduce, you drag outwards to increase, inwards to reduce. And for this one, to drag inwards because we don't want it overlapping our shirt. So you got that in already, just press enter, then go to file and save. Please, if you're enjoying the video already, please hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already. Can we do that in 5 seconds? Let me pause the video for now and let's do that in 5 seconds. So let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are lovely. So now that we'll save that, we'll just go back to our shirt, and you can see we have it on our shirt. So now we can change the color. You can see what I was telling you. On a white shirt, it comes out white. On a black shirt, it comes out black. Let me just prove that to you. So just cancel this. Click on this box. Go back. So every color I change it to plain. Watch the plain. It's gonna change to that color. See, it's gonna change to that color. So that is plan. That is the goal, to just get different colors depending on your choice. So when they download whatever color of shirt they have or they make, they get the design in that. So that's just it. So I want to make it in white for this video. So I want to make it white. So now just, as you can see, it's bent. So I'll just go to your design here. As you can see, it's slanting, and you might not want that, so you just do Ctrl T, and I'll just try to make it, here. Press enter. As you can see, we have it now the way we want it to be. It says pilot, so we'll just click on save file, go to save as. Save as picture pilot. Now we'll save it as PNG. No, sorry, we'll save it as JPEG. You can save it as PNG or you save it as JPEG. Now for the 4th stage, this is the part where I'll tell you, now that you have your, press OK. Now that you have your design in your 3D mockup, you can go on Instagram page, just Google flying pilot plane. This Instagram page, you're interested in shirts like this, you just DM the owner of the page. Make sure the page has a good engagement rate. DM the owner of the page and ask for a price rate. When they give you their price rate, go to 2 to 3 to 4. If you have the money, pay them $25 to $40 depending on if they are putting on their feed, their stories, and just send them this design. Or better still, wait till you upload your design to Redbubble or TeePublic and you get a full 3D mockup with humans wearing your shirt. Just send them a picture of that and tell them that is what you want to promote. Pay them, you promote it. You should get 5 sales if they have a good engagement rate, 5 to 10 sales. And once you get that, Redbubble matched by Amazon, TeePublic will start to promote your t-shirt automatically. They start to give you free marketing and you make money doing that. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, click to your right and you see the playlist and make sure you click on that. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Please watch more, go to my channel, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay blessed, stay healthy, one love.